Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make these crunchy chicken drumsticks. So if you are interested, stick around and watch the video. So now let's get started. So guys, here are my chicken drumsticks. I'm just going to marinate them and leave it for some time to marinate very well before we proceed. First, I need to add a cup of milk. So guys, I have this seasoning here. It's called crispy fry. You can find this seasoning in any local shop close to where you live, or you can as well check Amazon. Maybe you can find it there as well. So I'm just going to add some paprika, some onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, ginger. So guys, there's this little trick that I'm adding to this my chicken drumsticks. That is suya spice. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. That will just take it to another level. So guys, try it out. So now I'm just going to mix everything together. So guys, if this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. Feel free to watch the video. And for my old returnees, thank you for always stopping by. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and you can as well subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I'm just going to add some salt, and I also forget to add some chicken stock. So now I just have to add some chicken stock so that it will give it some nice taste. So guys, as you can see, I just cover it. I want to leave it to marinate. So the longer you leave it to marinate, the better it comes out. So if you have more time, you can just leave it to marinate very well. Guys, trust me out, you see it will come out so good. So here is my bowl. I'm just going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and half cup of corn starch. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this crispy fry seasoning. And I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of suya spice. I'll add some onion powder, some salt. So I'm going to mix everything together. So guys, I'm going to leave the exact amount that I use for this recipe in the description box. So make sure you check it out in the description box. I'm just going to drop them inside my mixed flour, and I'll just rub the flour all over the body. I'm going to rub them very well so that they'll come out very good. So guys, you can try this recipe for your kids. Trust me, kids love this chicken drumsticks so much. Try it out for them, they will love it. So guys, it's ready now. I'm just going to start to fry the chicken drumsticks. So here is my oil. I'm using sunflower oil, and you need a lot of oil for this process, and you don't need to put a lot inside the oil. Just put it 2 or 3 at a time. And if your heat is too much, you just need to reduce the heat. If it's too low, just need to regulate it. You know what I'm saying, guys? So At this point, I'm going to say thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate. And for the frying, it's going to take you about 20 to 25 minutes so that it will be well cooked. So I'm going to leave you now, and I will see you in my next video. Please guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you with another yummy recipe. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.